In the distance, mountain range curved their writing into a clay tablet as a series of an angle. Each of sides of the angle matched a letter in our alphabet or a digit from 0 to 9. The clay tablet has been smashed. Work out the letter or the number on each piece and then rearrange them to discover the word. So we are just trying. The word is, which word is this when we will rearrange? So we have some alphabets. So when we are combining, so we will get a word. So as we know, which word is this? That is L T Q E L, sorry, IALUEAR. So the word is equilateral. Okay. So we have only all the alphabets when we are just combined. So we will get the answer equilateral. So next is draw the angle that would write the word triangle. As it is same, then what we will do, we will get these answer 120, 108, 54, 6, 54. So with the help of these angles, you can draw a triangle. Now, question number 3. Four children are making a triangle using stick. My triangle will have three acute angles. My triangle have one obtuse angle. My triangle have two obtuse angles. My triangle will have two acute angles. Can everyone make a triangle? They won't. Explain your answer. So the first one, she said, my answer is three acute angle. Is she right? Acute angle is less than 90. Second one said one obtuse angle. Second one is also right. Third one is also right here. Third one, I'm not sure about third one. And fourth one, I'm sure. Second and fourth is right. And child 3 cannot make a triangle with two obtuse. As I told you, they cannot make a triangle. Obtuse angle are greater than 90 degree. Two obtuse angle would be greater than 180 degree. So the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So as we know, the sum of triangle should be 180. So it is not possible. So third one is wrong. Same as it is question number 4. Each of the piece has been cut into an unequal slices. Work out the missing angle on each pie without measuring. So here is, as we know, full circle is 360. So we are just finding the missing piece. So 360 minus 235. So how many left? 60, 125. So first angle must be 125 because we are minus 360 minus 235. 195. As it is same, you are doing the remaining questions. Question number 5. Imagine a pie was cut into equal slices. What would be the angle of each piece if it were cut into two pieces? So one angle should be 180 because the pie has 360. So if you cut into two pieces, so 360 divided by 2, that is 180. If you divide into three pieces, so 360 divided by, so 360 divided by 3, so it's equal to 120. So as it is same, 360 divided by 4 is 90. So let's check either we are wrong or right. 120, 90, as it is same. So question number 6. We are finding the missing angle. Remember one thing, whenever you have a triangle, so when you add all the side, it must be equal to 180. So you have two angles. If you're talking about outer layers, 32 is here, 37 is here. So what is this angle? That is more than 90. So 37 plus 32, 32 plus 37, 69 minus 180. So your first answer A is 111 here. Now, if you're talking about B, so we have only right angle triangle. So here is 90, here is 32. What is B? 90 plus 32, this minus 180. So my B answer is 58. As it is same, if here is 90, so here also is 90. So what I do, 37 plus 90 minus 180. So my answer of C is 53. So as you know, our answer C is 53. Same as it is question number 7. Find the angle mark on a shape symbol. We are finding this angle, these all angle. So if here is 95, here is 30. So what is missing angle? You must know the sum of angle is 180 minus 95 minus 30. So here the missing angle of this is 55. Next is, if here is 55, so we also find the other 90, 29 and 90. So what is this angle? So 90 plus 29 minus 180. So 61. So this angle must be 61. Now third one, we have these two, 32 plus 26 minus 180. So here should be 122. So as we know, if here is 122, so the sum of all angles should be 360. 122 plus 29 plus 95. So what is this missing angle? Minus 360, because sum of circle is 360. So your star is 114. So if here is 114, so 114 plus 51, these two angles we are adding, then minus 180. So this angle must be 15. Let's check. Look at here, pentagon 15, star 114, 455, 61 and 122. So thank you so much.